Hi, today at Entrepreneur, we have with us Mr. Rahul Garg, founder and CEO, Moglix and Credlix. Rahul, thank you so much for joining us here at the Bitumen plant. Can you tell us more about your manufacturing and Make in India plans?
So at Moglix, when we started, we have always believed that we want to be the commerce platform for manufacturing companies and infrastructure companies which are buying from us. As we continue to expand in infrastructure, we realize that many of the supply ecosystem is not necessarily geared up to support the mission India is on in terms of building fantastic highways, in terms of building the road network, which today stands as number 2 road network in the world. Now, this bitumen plant came around with the thought process that today, if you look at the roads of India, only 8 to 9% is being powered by value-added bitumen products.
Yeah.
And while in the developed economies, it can be a 30 to 40% kind of number. So we said we need to start building the state-of-the-art facility which can invest into R&D, which can build all of these value-added bitumen products, and this plant is a venture in that direction. We expect over the next 5 years, Indian roads need to become safer, they need to become more robust, and they need to continue to enable lower carbon emission. And this plant is an epitome of all of those 3 aspects.
So Rahul, what kind of products will come out of this plant?
So this plant is primarily a bitumen plant, but if you look at it, bitumen starts with some of the base products like VG30, VG40, but we start to have polymer modified bitumen, which is the next generation product, as well as emulsions, which are going to enable better quality bitumen to come out of this plant.
With Moglix, we have seen the acquisition of Kadima Fibers and now this greenfield plant. How big are you going in the manufacturing space?
So we realize we handle around 150 category of products, around 1 million SKUs. And we have realized there are at least 10 large categories where there is an absence of high quality supply ecosystem.
Okay.
And we are continuously looking at, are there opportunities for us to build manufacturing? Because as India develops, these manufacturing need to be organized. They need to invest into R&D. And we continuously work with, are we going to do it ourselves or partner with the right ecosystem? So yes, we'll continue to go bullish on building manufacturing wherever we think the supply ecosystem is not there.
Sure. And going forward this year or in the next year, are there any plans for newer plants to come up?
Yes, we are in the works for more plants, but I think over the next few quarters, this plant took us almost 12 months to get to fruition. So it takes a while to build a plant from greenfield. This was like a empty land which was started, and today you see the facility where it has come.
And how big is the facility here?
So this facility, if you look at it, is around 3,000 metric tons of bitumen that it will produce. It is spread across 3.5 acres of land, right here in Kosi Kalan, not too far away from Indian Oil Mathura refinery as well, because many of these are petroleum-based products eventually. And I think this is just a start. We will continue to build more of these kind of manufacturing plants across the country.
Going forward, Rahul, what is your vision for Moglix? Is there an IPO in the pipeline?
I think eventually there is IPO in a pipeline, yes. Are we at the stage to talk about it? The answer is probably no. We have our hands full building the company. We are in India, we are in Middle East, many of the markets. We continue to expand as an organization, and therefore the entire team is focused on execution.
Okay, so we look forward to more acquisitions, and I will be happy if you could show us around the plant.
Yes, absolutely. And thanks for coming again.
Thank you.